we are going to see how to remove the unwanted spaces in the cell in the spreadsheet. So when you're doing a work or any important task in the Excel spreadsheet, so by mist you have been have saved the saved the file, and you'll not be able to identify where to remove. And if you have more cells and you'll be finding more spaces, it will take so much time to remove it. So today I'm going to show you in two methods to remove the unwanted spaces in the cells. To that to happen, so let us open the spreadsheet or a Excel. So I have taken the week name in the first column, and the second column I have taken as a numbers. As you see, you can here I have taken as a Sunday, but I've given the space between the Sunday. Monday I've given after the month, and Tuesday, Wednesday. So if we combine all this, we get a one word. There is no problem. And if we go to the second column in the numbers, you can, if you remove the spaces between them, so there will not be the issue. So first thing, let us see how to remove this. We have the two steps or two methods to remove the spaces between this. First thing, you can go with the find and select in the home tab. So here, double click and then replace it. So you will get a box like this. So what find what replace with. So now here we are removing only the spaces. So that's why give it as one space. So we are one space and replace with no space. So to do that, first select every cell and give the replace all. You can see it all done. We are made with a 23 replacement. Click OK. See, now you can see there is no spaces between the word. It has been combined, all the letters has been combined. So this is the one method. If we go to the method 2, here we have a names of a persons or a name of a village. So if we remove the spaces between the words, it will become complete one word. So it is not a appropriate thing. If we check Control H, and if we do it, so you can see this entire word has been become. So this method will not work in the when we have the person's name or a village's name or a place name. So for that we are going for the second method. That is, what you are going to do is, here we are going to do apply the formula. What is the formula? Equals trim, 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 open the bracket and click the cell which the word has to be. Remove the unwanted spaces. Click here and you will get it C6, or you can write it your own like 36 and close the bracket and hit enter. Now we can see is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar with proper spaces or proper spacing. So to apply for all these cells, what you're going to do is select this cell and hold the shift button down and hold the right down button and select it and press Ctrl D. So everything will be applied. Or we have one more method called come to right corner of this cell. When we get the plus mark, drag it and leave it. So every space has been unwanted space has been removed and the word has been um, popped out with a proper word. But we have the challenge is, what is the challenge is, when we copy these cells, you'll not be getting the value, you'll be getting only the formula and you'll be seeing the blank screen or blank cell. So to do that, what we are going to do is right click, we are going to use the values in the paste option. First is only the formula will be pasted, so we are going to see paste it with the values. When we do this, here no formula will be pasted, only the cells will be copied. Only the value, that is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, with the proper spacing between the words. So by this way you can remove in the large file which you want to remove unwanted spaces in your file. Thank you dear viewers for watching my video. If you like the video, please hit a like button, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please to subscribe and hit a bell icon so that you get all notification when I post in the next time. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye. Let's see in the next video.